Okay, you guys, so I decided to make these custom Easter Happy Resurrection Day jumbo cards, and I could not find any templates in the design that I wanted, so I created my own. I wanted little kids to learn the true meaning of Easter and why we celebrate it, and it is Happy Resurrection Day. I have the supplies list in the description. All you need is photo paper or vinyl sticker paper, foam board, scissors, some glue, or adhesive. But what I did, my sister had my printer, so I actually had to use sublimation paper. So I sublimated onto photo paper, and then I glued the photo paper on the foam board with Mod Podge. Here I'm just cutting. Most people get the Hobby Lobby foam board, but I wanted to just try my hand at it, so I got the Dollar Tree board. The Dollar Tree foam board will cut with nice sizes. You just have to make sure that your blade is super sharp. When I watched other videos, I saw that they have all these expensive tools, and I just didn't want to do that because I didn't know how many of these I would be making. So I wanted to try the Dollar Tree way. So the foam board is from Dollar Tree, the mat is from Dollar Tree. The little ruler is a ruler that I've been having in the house. So these supplies are super, super cheap. And the Exacto knife that I have is also from the Dollar Tree. Again, like I said, I don't know how many of these I'm making, so I didn't get a lot of big supplies. So if you just want to make these for the kids in your family, you can go down to Dollar Tree and get these supplies. I did have to use Mod Podge since I didn't have my printer, and so I couldn't print on vinyl sticker paper. I did not like the Mod Podge. I put too much on there, so it took a very long time to dry. I did lay things onto the project to make it lay flat and not budge with the glue. Again, the glue was not my favorite, and when I was at this point, I was thinking maybe I could have glued the picture onto the foam board with hot glue. So right here, I'm just packing the treat box. These treat box, I like these because you can open and close them. I will have these linked down in the description as well. And if you would like these exact templates, I will have these listed down in the description as well. So the rest of the video is me just packing the boxes. You do have to make sure that it is full. If not, then the treats will shift a little bit. You can also use tape to tape it on there. I had to put a treat on that paper right there because with the Mod Podge with the glue, the photo paper got extra wet, and so it did peel a little. So yeah, like I said, you can try that way, just don't use as much glue. As you can tell, I did cut out the rest of the foam board and glue the picture off camera. So it's just me just packing the treat boxes with the treats. So I am starting to work on my Happy Mother's Day cards as well. I did get my printer back, so this one is vinyl sticker paper. It is so much easier. All I had to do was stick the paper onto the foam. I didn't have to worry onto the foam board. I didn't have to worry about any glue. It was so much easier. I love it. I love it. And this will be a sample box, so people can see how the boxes would look for Mother's Day. I am working on a couple of templates for Mother's Day, and I will record that and also attach templates templates to the video. And I did make some Easter baskets with the finished product. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to upload that video. All done, and this is how they look. Beautiful.